In this video, you will learn two simple methods to write ordinal numbers like first, second, third, etc. in Microsoft Word. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. The first method is let me select ST and click on superscript. Then select the ND and click on superscript. Then select the RD and click on superscript. Now we will see second method. Go to Insert tab, go to Equation, insert new equation, and here you will see script option, and first select the box and write the number in the text box and write th in the second box and click outside. So see friends, by following this tutorial you learn two effective ways to write and format ordinal numbers using superscript in Microsoft Word. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.